Hey everyone, welcome back to Beyond Infinity. Today, I'm diving into one of those everyday mysteries you probably never stop to think about. Why is the sky blue? Trust me, it's cooler than you think. Let's start with the basics. When you look up during the day, you see a bright blue sky, but at night, pure blackness. If space is always out there, where does the blue go? Here's the science behind it. The secret is something called Rayleigh scattering. Sunlight might look white, but it's actually a mix of every color you see in a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. When sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere, it smacks into billions of tiny gas molecules, mostly nitrogen and oxygen. Here's where the magic kicks in. Blue light waves are shorter and get scattered way more than red light waves, which are longer and pass through more easily. All that scattered blue light is what fills the sky and makes it glow blue to our eyes. But what about at night? When the sun dips below your horizon, it stops lighting up your patch of the atmosphere. No sunlight means no scattering, and you're left looking straight into the blackness of space. That's when the stars come out, always there, just hidden by daylight. Ever noticed how the sky turns orange or red at sunset? That's the same science, just a different effect. The sun's lower, the light travels through more of the atmosphere, and by the time it hits your eyes, most of the blue is gone, leaving those gorgeous reds and oranges behind. Let's hit some quick questions. First, why isn't the sky violet, since violet scatters even more? Our eyes are more tuned to blue and the sun gives off less violet light. Second, could skies be different colors on other planets? Absolutely. On Mars, the sky looks pinkish-orange during the day and blue at sunset. And third, is the sky actually blue? Not really, it just looks that way because of how our eyes see scattered light. The air is totally transparent. Oh, and let's bust a myth. The ocean does not make the sky blue. It's actually the other way around. The sky's blue gets reflected by the ocean. So next time you look up and wonder, you'll know the real answer. Hit that like button, share with your fellow science fans, and subscribe for more mind-blowing science right here on Beyond Infinity.